Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony HVL-F43M flash and you need to restore the default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If this flash is not following the configurations that you gave it, or it doesn't seem to be responding, or it seems to be frozen, or any kind of functionality issues like that, or if it's not connecting to the camera properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set the flash up again like a new flash and have all of the previous configurations and settings restored to their factory default settings, we can go ahead and do that. And it's quite simple to do. So if you want to go ahead and proceed, we'll go ahead right now. It's very easy. All you're going to do is find the mode button and the TTL button. And what you'll do is you're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. After the 3 seconds, this will initiate a factory reset of this flash, and you will be able to set it up again as though it were a brand new flash coming out of the box.